Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kanika, and in this video I shall be unboxing my Crafters Corner haul in collaboration with Joyful Kreations. So from today, every Tuesday I'll be posting a collab video for a month. So do check the channel of Joyful Kreations as well, and do subscribe to her channel as well. The link is in description box. So let's get started. This is one of the box from Crafters Corner which I am unboxing, and in the end of the video I shall also be sharing the gift which I received from Dress My Craft, so stay tuned till the end. So as you guys know, the packaging of Crafters Corner is just amazing. So here I have 3 smaller packets, well packed. So the first thing which I have ordered is this PRIMA art ingredients like Finnabare's art stones. These are in the size mini, so these are the mini art stones from Finnabare, and trust me, these are so mini, the size is so small, and also these are very lightweight. So moving on to the next product, here you can see it's just a single product, and you can see how well packed and bubble wrapped it is. I must say the packaging of Crafters Corner is just amazing. You can see it right now here. So basically this is PRIMA marketing haul, and all the products are from PRIMA. So I ordered this Art Basics silicone brush in the size 1 inch. This is also from PRIMA. So if you want to know the product review or how to use this brush, do comment. I shall share a video sharing the details of this brush. So that's the third big packet. I shall just come up by opening, and you can see the products are already coming out. So the first thing which I have is this PRIMA's wax. This is the Art Alchemy wax in the color Old Silver. So that's the first color which I ordered. Moving on to the second color I ordered is this one, which is Vintage Gold color. So these are the new, you can see the colors which are back in stock at Crafters Corner, and this is the new shade which recently have been launched. This is the old denim color. Also don't worry, I have another video coming up soon how to use these waxes. So the next thing which I have is this PRIMA marketing redesign molds. These are the silicone molds. Just give me a moment, I shall open up and share how the mold looks like from inside. But these are the 3 designs which we get with this mold. Also, if you're enjoying this video, then do hit the like button. Also, if you're new, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And also, if you have any craft queries, do comment. I make sure to answer all your craft queries in the Sawaal Saturday video, so you might get a chance for a free shout out as well. This is how my mold looks like. It is of the size 5 by 8 inches. What I love about this mold is the quality, and it's like one-time investment. It will be with you for lifelong, and it has the flower design. So this is the flower which we get, and these are the flourish design. So it's like 2-in-1 mold. So now let's move on to the gift which I received from Dress My Craft. So this is the mini packet which I received as a gift from Dress My Craft on winning a giveaway. So I shall quickly open this up and tell you what I received as a gift. Also do follow us on Facebook and Instagram, as we do several live sessions and post a regular craft updates there as well. So the first thing which I received is this flower making and cutting dies, foliage and leaves, number 12. So it is the die from Dress My Craft. And the second thing has this cute sentiment write up which says token of love. So this is the tape. This is the 3D foam tape from Dress My Craft. This is of the size 4mm. So it is mentioned here, it is 4mm size tape. Now this is the foliage die. These dies are beautiful, and they give very crisp cutting with the one go itself. I have been using Dress My Craft dies since long time, and I love the dies. So today's shout out goes to Fiza Khan, and the message says, first time seeing glue sticks in different colors, thanks for sharing your experience. So thank you Fiza Khan for your wonderful message. I am happy to share something out of the box. So guys, if you also want some shout outs, do comment and I shall give you shout outs. So see you until next time. Happy crafting, and don't forget to watch the Joyful Creations YouTube channel as well. The link is in description box.